Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off two-step authentication in PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page. But first, we need to log into your accounts. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the login option. Go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is your main page where you can take a look at your PayPal balance. You have your recent activity. You can send request money and so on. And now we can get started. So let's say you want to turn off two-factor authentication when logging into your account. What we can do is go into your settings option right here in the upper right corner. In the settings option, by clicking this gear icon right here in the upper right corner, is going to open up our settings, and now we can go and manage our account settings. We have our security settings, data and privacy, and so on. And then guys, as you can see, after opening up your security tab right here for your security settings, we can go ahead and scroll down and take a look at one of the options that says two-step verification. So your account is protected with an extra layer of security. So what you want to do guys, if you want to turn it off, is to click the update button right here. By clicking the update button, it's going to enable you to turn off two-step verification, and then you can go and select what kind of protection you want to use for your account if you want any, and this is all doable right here from the security settings. So that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.